Now let's solve for y. We're going to add 2x to both sides. Remember, you cannot combine these two terms. So that is positive 2x. I don't write the plus sign because 2x is leading. Well, I guess you could say this side of the equation. Bring down negative 15. It becomes minus 15 because it is behind 2x. You want to put 2x first because we want to write it in slope-intercept form, meaning y equals mx plus b. Now what we're going to do is divide by negative 3. Y equals negative 2 over 3x. A negative divided by negative is a positive, plus 5. This is m, this is b. Okay, first we have to distribute. That becomes negative 3x minus 12. Add 3 this time. Over here, we had to divide by 3 because negative 3 and y were multiplied. So to undo what's been done here, you divide. That's multiplication. Do the opposite, divide. This is subtraction. Do the opposite, add. Now be careful. You can only add to its like term, meaning negative 12. This is a constant. That is an x term. So you can only add 3 to negative 12. Why is it negative 12? Cover up the negative 3x and read it. That's negative 12. And so at this point, we're only focusing on this number, so we can consider this negative 12. Plus 3, that gives us negative 9. Bring down what's left. That cancels. Y equals negative 3x minus 9. This is your m, and this is your b. In this example, if you rewrite it and put the 9x first, it looks like 9x minus 1 equals 9x plus 4. And we talked about this a while ago. When the x terms match, but the constants are different, that's automatically no solution. If you don't remember that, no sweat. Go to your graphing screen and first put in 9x minus 1. I'm hoping that F1 is available. And then put the second part, the right side of the equal sign, in F2. Look at the graph. And you should have parallel lines. Down here, put the left side into the calculator, the right side in, and when you graph it, you will have one graph, one line. That means infinite solutions. Now you can also move the x term. Those cancel, right? On both sides. Will negative 1 equal negative 1? Yes, forever, always. So infinite solutions. Over here, you could, let me find some room. Okay, 9x minus 1 equals 9x plus 4. Subtract 9x. They cancel. Will negative 1 ever equal 4? Never. Not possible, so no solution. Now let's look at this example. Same thing. Subtract 9x. Gone. Will negative 1 ever be less than or equal to negative 1. It will always be equal to. So this would be all real numbers. Ooh, and infinite solutions. Guess what we left off up here? Infinite solutions as well as all real numbers. So on the test, you may have to circle both. And then last but not least, minus 9x. Minus 9x, cancel, 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 cancel. Will negative 1 ever be greater than negative 1? No. So we have no solution.